What if the greatest crisis facing humanity today is not technological, economic, or political, but spiritual? We live in a world that has never been more connected, yet so many feel disconnected from themselves, from each other, and from what truly matters.
I really needed this, and I'm glad that I made it.
And then the stillness of coming back is just like feeling so still inside and so peaceful. Amazing.
We chase success, compete relentlessly, and move faster than ever before. Yet, anxiety is rising, stress has become normal, and the human nervous system remains trapped in a constant state of alert. For decades, human potential was measured through IQ. Later, we recognized the importance of EQ, emotional intelligence. Today, a new conversation is emerging around SQ, spiritual quotient, the capacity to live with awareness, purpose, integrity, and a sense of interconnectedness. Ancient wisdom traditions understood something modern science is only beginning to rediscover. Everything is vibration. Every thought, every emotion, every word we speak. Sound is not merely something we hear. It is something we feel, something that influences our nervous system, emotions, and state of being. For centuries, culture around the world have used sound as a tool for healing, meditation, and transformation.
Literally my soul went up and experienced a different zone and came back is what I felt.
Thank you so much for organizing such a great event.
Its unique power lies in its ability to guide us inward, beyond distraction and into deeper awareness. Perhaps the future of humanity will not depend solely on smarter machines, but on wiser human beings. Because before we can harmonize the world around us, we must first learn to harmonize the world within. And sometimes that journey begins with a single sound.